The Suzuki Jimny has always been more than just a compact off-roader. It's become a blank canvas for creativity in the automotive world. Known for its rugged design, off-road ability, and charming proportions, the Jimny has found its way into the hearts of enthusiasts globally. But in Japan, one tuning house continues to redefine just how wild and imaginative a Jimny can become, and that's none other than DAMD. In 2025, DAMD returns with its latest lineup of transformations, and this time, the tiny Jimny is doing its best impressions of not one, not two, but three iconic European legends: the Mercedes G-Class, the Land Rover Defender, and even the quirky Renault 5. These reimagined versions aren't just aesthetic gimmicks, they're full-blown character makeovers that give the Jimny entirely new personalities. Let's start with the Little D, DAMD's tribute to the classic Land Rover Defender. Now updated for the larger 5-door Jimny, the latest version keeps everything enthusiasts loved from the original and adds a few fresh touches. Presented in a deep forest green, the Little D features redesigned headlights and turn signals, a black grille reminiscent of Land Rover's signature front end, and a familiar green oval badge that's clearly a wink at its British inspiration. The body kit includes new front and rear bumpers, custom fender flares, and even mud flaps, all helping to complete the rugged, trail-ready look. Buyers can also choose from multiple wheel designs to make it even more unique. It's a compact SUV that suddenly looks like it could hang with the big boys on any mountain trail. Next in the lineup is the Little G, a loving homage to the legendary Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Built for the same 5-door Jimny, this kit includes redesigned front and rear fascias, side steps, door trims, and, in a new twist, a Little G traditional variant. This variant dials back the flash for a more old-school G-Wagen look, including a simplified steel front bumper with square yellow fog lights and retro tail lights inspired by the classic G-Class. But just when you think you've seen it all, DAMD introduces the most unexpected transformation yet, the Saudade, a Renault 5-inspired Jimny body kit that might just steal the show. Featuring square headlights, a compact black grille, a rugged steel bumper, and flared arches, the Saudade nails the throwback 80s hatchback vibe in a way no one expected from an SUV. The addition of Oz racing wheels and newly designed wing mirrors elevate the aesthetic even further. And what's truly astonishing is the price. The complete Saudade kit, unpainted, costs just 382,800 yen, roughly $2,600. Add in a full set of 5 Oz racing wheels, and you're looking at only about 520,000 yen, or around $3,500 in total. For a transformation this complete and head-turning, it's a surprisingly affordable upgrade. DAMD's ability to blend creativity with craftsmanship has turned the Suzuki Jimny into a style icon. Whether you want your Jimny to look like a mini G-Wagen, a pint-sized Defender, or a retro French hot hatch, there's now a DAMD body kit just for you. It's playful, it's bold, and most of all, it proves that even the smallest cars can have the biggest personalities. In a world of cookie-cutter SUVs, the Jimny continues to stand tall, or small, with the help of DAMD's vision. These transformations aren't just cosmetic mods, they're character overhauls that give drivers the chance to own something truly unique without breaking the bank.